Hey everyone, Caleb with Wiebe Knives and Dakota Line Snares. Figured I'd take some time today to talk about the Wiebe replaceable scalpel blade line of knives. First, I've got the Red Fox here. It's going to be a soft handled with a top release. This one here is the Arctic Fox, more of a textured, harder plastic with a bottom release. This one is the Vixen, a little fancier with that wood grain, also bottom release. Those first three you saw there are all going to come with a sheath. Next, I've got the Monarch here. This is going to be a harder textured plastic handle as well. Bottom release. This one comes with a belt clip, so carrying it in the field a little easier for that. Next is the Boss Dog. This is going to be a fixed blade knife. You can still pop those replacement blades on quick and easy. This is a good knife for in the fur shed, anywhere we're going to leave that knife sitting around. Lastly, I've got the Zipper here. This is going to be for your opening cuts, your money cuts, anything like that, splitting tails. Replaceable blades, and it has a belt clip for carrying it in the field. And again, that is the full line of Wiebe replaceable scalpel blade knives.